Hi guys, today we will talk about how to make our own error, how many times specific code will run, and how we can type a text in an input box or text area, and how we can uncheck of any checkbox. So also we will talk about how to verify a value of variable. So let's start now. Firstly, we'll cover here throwError. Actually, this command is used to make our own error. And here we will give first parameter. It's a name of error, like there is something wrong. And when this command will run, and it will raise an error in logs that something wrong. It's used to make your own error for verification of many cases. And next command is time. Sometimes we are required some code is run, specific code block is run of for specific time, so use time. Here first parameter, how many times you want to run this code, like here I will give 12. And next we will give here and command. And here we will just for our log we will give here echo to print in logs. So we'll give here it's an internal variable which tell us that how many times is running. So here first we will clear here logs, and then we will run it, and we can see that. And you can see that now it's blue, so it's a log. So now it's the next command is type is used just in type into input box, which type is input type, text type, type password, and text area, and so on. Actually it's used for just input and text area. So we'll use here input, we will use here type, and here we will give location of element where we want to type a text. Here good thing. And next we will just delete our next command, and we will just play this command. You can see that now it changes the text of text box. So next is uncheck. Uncheck, we can use uncheck to just uncheck the box. In this case we will just type here command uncheck, and here we will give a location of checkbox. So here is our checkbox, and we will just run it by its argument. So it's already unchecked, so it will not return any error, and it will just go without any effect. But when we will have check, like in this time, so we will again run this, you can see that it will uncheck. You can see that it's unchecked. And now is verify command. Verify command is used to just verify that the value of any variable is according to your expectation or not, by just giving here verify, and here we'll give variable. But 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 firstly we will define here a variable store text, and we will just store a text of this element, and we will just confirm in the next command. Here we will give a variable name, but firstly we will define it, like here is a variable, and here is we will give here a name of variable without curly braces, and here we will give which we expect a value of variable. So here, like I expect dict, but it's not according to this condition, so it will raise an error. Like you can see that it's yellow, it's mean it's have a warning, and have an error. So we will just check in a log that here expected variable a to be dict, but it is dictionary. So we will give here dictionary because it's a real time value of this variable. So we'll play this macro. You can see that now it's successfully run without any warning issue. If you have any confusion in UI vision automation, you can just comment below this video and I will try to respond soon as possible.